Tezos outline. World business analysts at last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and unsound. The world requirements a substantially more steady and dependable cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning manageability and versatility. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the cross-breed agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it have additionally been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us view a portion of the extraordinary elements of Tezos. Nonetheless, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Colossal exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in experimentally evolved stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to review these issues. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos have step-by-step swarmed the standard awareness and built up some momentum. It has gone the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it a mass reception, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity clear to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero divulgence proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange methodology, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange, putting the power eventually in the possession of the client. Tezos has standard update plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the fluctuated use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap false or fake exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. Tezos, development from quality to Goliath, breaking free from the recent blockchain. Tezos was begat as one more transformation in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local cryptographic money, Tezos blockchain is fit for facilitating brilliant agreements and dApps. Presently, what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the independent direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes. Supported changes are then naturally applied. As the blockchain is self-changeable, organizations can construct Tezos-based private, permissioned blockchain networks utilizing its fitting and play highlight. They can plug the private blockchain arrangement into the public Tezos mainnet. Tezos interoperability keeps organizations' blockchains refreshed. It furnishes them with worldwide extension, a tremendous organization of clients and dApps, and consistent turns of events and overhauls. Undertaking Tezos alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized determinations to speed up blockchain innovation reception among ventures. The determinations give organizations the capacity to use both Tezos-based private chains and the public mainnet. By 2023, the normal cost of Tezos will be at $1.29, greatest cost $1.38, least cost 49 cents. Tezos cost estimate toward the finish of 2023 may be around 53 cents. The anticipated Tezos cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.41. In 2024, we hope to see $1.47. In the principal half of 2025, the Tezos cost will move to $1.70. In the final part, the cost would add $1.80 and close the year at $1.85. In light of our figures, Tezos is a terrible long-haul venture. In 2024, the cost might have tumbled to 20 cents. It wouldn't be a distortion that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10, with government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic. This could come as a relief for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in Tezos. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the specialized investigation with RSI level, groups, and so on, and news reports of the crypto market and continue to follow the XTZ coin cost figure at regular intervals. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The brains cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital money. Consequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to quit slacking with different coins to show up at a $2 cost. Financial backers, be that as it may, need to look out for any unexpected elements. No one could foresee the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context that there are no boomerang impacts in the digital currency markets, Tezos is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost. taking it across all boundaries and scaling $2.95. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning hopefulness is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, chiefly because of its reliable exhibition throughout the long term. Consequently, this year will be a Uber gold mine for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level, seeing an ascent more than ever. The Tezos cost makes certain to reach $3.50 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Almost certainly. A simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more useful and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with evaluating increment a lot higher to $4.75. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see gigantic development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market guides dread that it might see some highs and lows. Be that as it may, these anxieties may not hold for a really long time. As at last, the Tezos coin will balance out to bring chivalrous returns for its financial backers. Everything relies upon the group action, possible mechanical leap forwards, or undeniable level associations. As concurred previously, Tezos needs to do an enormous update in building organizations and joint efforts that increment perceivability and implant more assets into the venture, making it significant for all clients and financial backers the same. It would then increment in cost complex. Tezos Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that all market factors turn for Tezos, this cryptographic money cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all constraints over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few languid patterns, it would certainly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by vigorous, brilliant agreements, the Tezos cost may effectively contact $5.15 before the year's over. Tezos Value Forecast 2028. In view of the Tezos cost forecasts, the base, normal, and greatest costs are supposed to be around $5.25, $5.55, and $5.85 separately. Tezos Value Expectation 2029. In 2029, the Tezos are supposed to exchange between $6 to $7, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, and the last option is the greatest conceivable cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be around $6.50 for the year 2029. Tezos Value Forecast 2030. In 2030, the XTZ might exchange at a typical cost of around $7.50. Simultaneously, the base and most extreme costs might be around $7 and $8 individually. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. With controlled world economies moving towards downturn, it is demonstrated certain that advanced monetary forms will govern the monetary realm. Unquestionably, Tezos will be one of the most vital lords of this wild, arising